Hey guys, I'm back, and we're gonna play some ETS 2. I don't know if this is recording or not, guys, because I have it set up on my computer. You guys always know, my laptop. And I only have one screen. So, let's do some ETS 2. I'm right now in the middle of a job, guys. I'm sorry I said start like that. I just wanted to see if you guys want me to put some ETS 2 out there in the world. I know I love the game. I was using, WASD, as I call it, WASD. Oh man, I'm dropping frames. I was using WASD for a while, and then I just kind of finally gave up on the game, so I got rid of it off my computer. And then I was at my grandma's house, and I was just sitting up there, and I looked over at the couch up in her house. And don't you know, she had a steering wheel. I asked her if I could have it, see if it will work in my game, see if I can get it to run, you know. So, did it. Works fine, runs fine, does everything I need it to. Just except I can't drive. Save my life. Ugh. And if you guys are wondering why I'm using ETS 2 as a game to drive in, is I want it when I grow up, guys. I need to learn how to drive a car. And this kind of game kind of helps me drive a car. I have everything turned up, everything cranked up high. So yeah, we're going to hang on, guys. I'm trying to get this load there, not damaged. I don't have my own company yet. So you guys can look at the stats, current job, cargo name tractors, 13 tons, destination Liverpool, Euro acres, expected Monday 1634, Monday 2314, 3,187 for this job, and it's about 6 hours and 47 minutes, guys. So we're gonna be doing a long drive. So hey, if you guys have a access code, whatever you want to call it, you guys want to give to me that I can get this game for free, pretty much. I'll pay you guys back in whatever you guys want me to. I'll put more of this content up or whatever. Or if you guys just want to be a nice YouTuber, you want to be a nice little YouTuber, you guys can just do it for free. I don't care however you want to do it. So if you guys do want to see more content, leave a like, drop a like down below. Please, if you're going to dislike my videos, please tell me why you want to dislike them. I know I'm not the best YouTuber out there in the world, but I'm a YouTuber. I'm another YouTuber. That's a small guy. I may not be the biggest person in the world or whatever. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. If I chose to turn anywhere, yes, right there. Okay, guys. We're gonna do this little off-road style. Sorry, guys, I haven't uploaded videos in a while. I've been kind of busy. Today's Memorial Day. For you people that don't know what Memorial Day is, it's something us Americans do spend every year. So yeah, my sister's sick, guys. So if you hear anybody talking right next door, it's because my sister's sick. My brother's here with his baby and his wife. So my family household is full tonight. So I probably should be closing my bedroom door, but I don't feel like getting up and doing it right during the middle of a video. So yeah, and then also I'm gonna put a thing in, guys, a picture of my setup. I can't get the foot pegs to work. I had my dad resolder it back together because it got spliced, however you guys say it. As us Americans call it, I call it spliced. What I mean is the cord got cut to the steering wheel and to the foot pegs. My dad spliced it back up, cut it back together, put it back together like a good electricianer. My father's an electrician, so he kind of just did that real quick, and thank you, and I can't get it to work. So if you guys want to tell me what I'm doing wrong here, or if you guys want to send me a video, link down below, of showing me what I did wrong, that'd be great. Because I can't seem to figure out how to get it to work, because it doesn't like me. It don't like me at all. Oh shit, there's oncoming traffic. Oh shit, no, no, no. I can't drive. Can't drive a truck, guys. So if you guys been going on my channel and been going to watch Gun and Gamers, you know he has red eyes. Now keep on going back to yourself. Red eyes, red eyes. Sound like fun. Well, I should be able to do a red eye, but I need the full access game, guys. I gotta do that multiplayer, because multiplayer is when you do red eyes. Really? Really, Dirk? Jerk? Pulling on me like it's somebody in your business. Why not? If your truck ain't going 60 down the highway, then you ain't no high school. And you need to go ahead and go get your butt back in bed, boy. This is how we drive. We drive old granny style. Hear me? Sorry. Road rage. Now I'm hitting the gas right now. I'm hitting the gas right now. It's not doing anything. And I have it set up for the gas right now. And I'm hitting the brake right now. Not doing anything. Or I'll even show you too. I'm doing it. Hang on. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna go to options. I hate using this stuff. I don't know if Google or I don't know if they'll get after me, YouTube, for having that in. So I'm gonna go to controls, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go to Input Wizard. Now I'm going to steering wheel, guys. Go to steering wheel. I go to simple automatic because I don't have no. So this is my steering up here, right here. You can see I'm turning left right now all the way. I'm turning right all the way now. Okay, now I'm going to acceleration axis. Okay, and I'm hitting the gas on my thing. I'm hitting the gas. It's the right brake. It's the right pedal. It's the bigger one. I'm hitting it. See how it's not combining? Now if I hit escape, we have joy y-axis. I go to center, because that's where it is. I hit gas. Not doing anything, right? Yeah. So that's why I have it set up for that. Inverted and centered. That's why I have this set up for that. Centered. And that's how I've been driving. So, yeah. So, now that's what's been going on, guys. If you guys want to buy me one, that'd be great. I know it's kind of like asking, like, ooh, do me a favor, guys. Can you guys go out and waste your own money on a YouTuber? Because this YouTuber's broke. That'd be a jerk move for me, guys. Sorry. But if you guys want to, go right ahead. Nope. That's what the is going on via me. Oh my gosh. So hope all you Americaners or whoever else celebrates more day. I don't know what countries do or don't. So don't ask me. You guys celebrate Memorial Day. You guys should know. So I don't have no school on Monday because it's Memorial Day. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. I'm kind of excited if you guys can't tell my voice. My voice has changed slightly, maybe. I'm not sure if you guys can really tell from my past videos about my voice. It goes way down here. This is when I'm in my angry voice. Or my big voice. No, you guys don't hear me sing well. So, no. That is what's going on. So let's continue driving. I just got a pillow for my butt. My butt was hurting. And so I'm actually sitting on the floor right now in my bedroom with the gas pedal and everything else. So, no. I'm gonna drive all the way down there for you guys, and then, yeah. So like I said, if you guys want to give me if you guys want to leave an access code that you know of that might want to try for the game, or you have a steering wheel and an old steering wheel that you don't want no more, that you don't use, and you want to send it to me, or write down in the comments the access code. You guys have my email. If you send me the steering wheel, you guys have my email. Email me that you have one. And send me some pictures of it, because I might want to look at it real quick. Make sure you guys are really sending it to me. Because I'm not one to give my address away. And I'll give you my address. Sounds cool? Sounds easy. Get it? Got it? Well, good. So, oh, this is a treacherous road. Why do they have to get me off of highways? I like highways. Nah. Guys, I like highways. I don't know why they get me off of highways on these narrow, stupid dirt lane track. Oh, can I hit F7 yet and kind of just, just have it send me straight to Swansea? Assistant service can take you in your truck to Swansea. Sweet. We got a free trip to Swansea, guys. I drive halfway there and then they just jump me straight to there. Cause that's how I roll. Oh wait, I'm supposed to go to Liverpool. Oh. Sugar. Oh. 4, 24%, 30%, 9%, 15%. What can we cut down on? Let's cut down on the minimal damage stuff. That didn't do that much. Nope. Well. No, guys, this is what I say. Escape. 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 Hang on, guys. I gotta let some game to load. This is what I say. Save my game. Save current game progress. Call it Bob. Hang on, guys, I'm just deleting some saves. This is my Bah world. I'll do that some other time, guys. Sorry. Gotta sit there. Can we go to profiles? See, I need a product key, guys. If you guys want to give me one, go right ahead. I tried them all. I've gone out there. There's not one I can get. So, Bah. This is the one I'm on right now. You guys want to see my original one? Hang on. Let me go to escape. Let me go see if I still have my original one. This right here. This is my original one, guys. That one was had the one most money on it. Oh, what's it? One of those. I don't remember what one. I'm gonna go a new profile, guys. I'm gonna get a new one. I think I wanna get Daff. I'll call it YouTube. If I don't remember not to go on this one when I'm in profile. YouTube profile. Okay, we'll go to picture. Let's do. I picked them all, guys. Let's go to that guy right there. I like him. He look cool. That's the guy from Moonshine. Show Moonshine from Discovery Channel. That's a Daff. Oh my gosh, what was it? I'm driving Daffs. I drive van. Was it scan you, maybe? I'll look through, guys, real quick. Hang on. There's Daff, Iveco, Renault, Majestic. That's what it was. I always like this. I like the fire card. I like the fire one. I'm gonna call it. We ship stuff for you. We ship stuff for you guys. Yeah, Grandma. Move my chair out of the way. Yeah, guys, I gotta move my chair out like my grandma can get through.
Ivy.
In the video, so I'll get back to it.
Okay, go to it.
Sorry, yeah, my grandmother's here, so good thing my OBS is programmed my voice, so you guys will be hearing everything in this house right now. Hopefully, you guys don't hear any of this. We gotta reset the controller. I should do gamepad, but I don't have a gamepad on me, guys. I have a Xbox 360 remote, but I have to have a cord for that, guys. And that is why I have it set up the way I do. So, where should we start this round, guys? Well, this is going to be a very long episode for you guys, so I don't even know why I'm continuing on this recording. Well, I guess I can bring it up to... That's the other thing. However, an hour and a half. So you want to start it? I want to start in Austria. We got Belgium. We got Germany. Ooh, Frankfurt. What's Switzerland? What's Switzerland? Zurich. We got in Switzerland. And we got Bern. I like Bern, guys. It's been a city that I've been in so many different times now. I'm gonna walk through the tutorial. Yes, we'll go through the tutorial. I normally don't do the tutorial, but since you guys might be newbies, might as well do the tutorial. Sorry guys, it's taking so long to load. I have my OBS running and everything else running at the same time. am I stuck on? Get back in the truck, guys. Hang on. Why is this not letting me go? Hang on, guys. What are options? Let's see if I can get this fixed. Controls. I don't know why it's not wanting to work. I normally check. I just didn't feel like checking this around, guys. And this is what happens when you don't check. Oh, and that's why I hit the gas, it's brake at the same time. So go to one as center. Alright, let's try that again. We're in this kind of place where I've kind of centered myself around, guys. So if you guys let me know in the next video where you guys like me to start, that would be kind of cool. Alright, screw you. I don't care. You guys should be pulling out in front of me though. I want to get any tickets, guys, and it's my first day on the job. See how this goes. Yeah, I got some videos for the fashion style. Yeah, guys, since I'm concentrating, you guys hear my steering wheel in the background after whipping it. The steering wheel real close to my mic. So I think I might just get a quick job so I can get up some XP so I can get a loan from the bank. So I can go get a hired worker. So this is my thing, guys. If I get a truck, I get a hired worker, get hired workers to get paid jobs. Once I get paid jobs, I'll be free. So that's my thing, guys. And guys, what cow? Come here. Come up, say hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, guys, we're going to come here. Come here. Let's say hi. Here, let's see Mickey. Say hi. Hi, say hi to the world. Go. Hi, everyone. My name's Colin. Wanna try, buddy? Wanna drive? Wanna drive? Wanna drive? Come here. Come here. Come over here. Slide you over some. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna help my cousin. Nephew. He's young. So 1 year old time, buddy. You're 1. Yeah. Ready? Come over here. Get you over here. You ready? I can help you. Here, wanna hold your hands on this? Ready? Put your arm up there. This thing isn't how we drive, guys. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna get a job for you can drive, okay? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to get him to drive. I'm just hold down the gas. I want a short one. Like this, price per distance. And let's go to route length, that one. This is Apple's job, guys. This is the switcher one. Cover expires 10/11 to expected burn to Zurich. We'll take this job, guys. It's the cheapest one on the market. Hang on, buddy. Wanna drive? Huh? Yeah, there you go. I'll just help you, okay? Where's the Z? Hey, Colin, come here. Colin, come here. Wanna drive? Okay. Come here. Wanna drive?
Staying here with you? Alright.
Yeah. Wanna drive? Come on. Yeah, there you go. Ready? Ready? Let's drive. Can you scoot you closer? Ready? Ready? Get your hand up here. Ready? Steer. You ready? Go right. He's pretty occupied right now, guys. He's like, ooh, what's this? Can you say light, Colin? Sorry, guys. I had to do this. He's my little nephew. I don't know. I'm an uncle, so he came in here. He thought he'd come in here and hang out with us, guys. Because he's cool, Colin. Huh? Cool, Colin. Oh. You make me drive everywhere, Colin. Oh, shoot, man. I don't care if I ran no red light. My little cousin's here. My nephew. Huh. I guess we're good. I think I cleared the car right out of the way. So I think I cleared that car right out of the way, guys. Oh, wait, my planet of Earth. Right? Go ahead and steer. He's pretty standing tense on pounding the game. Huh, Colin? So who are you talking to? Besides yourself? Ooh, I have new mail.
Are you being good?
Yeah, he is.
Are you driving?
He wants to, and he's like, nope. My brother just walked in, guys.
Do your foot pedals work? No, still not working? What are you doing?
For me? I'm turning left instead of turning right. While I'm driving a big old tractor truck in Europe. Shoot. I'm not good at this game at all, guys. Okay.
What? I'm not picking you up. It's not happening.
Sounds like it's kind of getting interested now, guys. I started the reverse from the truck. It's like, ooh, what's that?
up, kid.
Once I get to over here, guys, freaking know that my up here is where I get my new truck. Come on. Tell me this is where I get my new truck. Right now. Wanting to tell me I can get my new truck here. What are you doing, buddy, huh?
Dad? Dad? What are you doing?
So, yeah, guys. I'm having a great Memorial Day. I don't know about you guys. Other people celebrate it. But I'm having a good one. I'm sitting here with my family. But got some chicken. Some teriyaki chicken. And it tastes real good because Mom did it on the grill. Not the grill, but the stove. I love my mama's chicken. Mom makes some good cooking. Yeah, guys, I gotta drive. Oh my gosh, in cab so much quieter. So, nope. I just lost my train of thought, guys. Whatever. You guys probably knew where I was going. Maybe. Alright, we're about to get a red signal offense, and don't. So, nope, I'm just going up here, guys, right now. I'm just driving around the city of Bern real quick. This is going to take me a little bit longer of a load, but I don't care if it's late or whatever, as long as I get it there, I get some money, rank up my XP, and I get a nice sum with money, because I like skin. I don't like Majestic, but it's the cheapest truck in the game that I know of. I can probably cheat it to make it even lower, but that's not what we do around here, guys. Oh, this is a man dealer? Come on. Man truck dealer discovered. Aw. Let's go see what their cheapest truck is. I just want to see what their cheapest truck is. I don't like mans. I like them, but I want to get a Majestic. Yeah. Their cheapest one is 106 grand, guys. So, I think this video's gone on long enough, guys. We're gonna go. Sleepers. Oh, that's why. It's my other truck that I like. So yeah, guys. So I think that's been a pretty long episode for you guys. I'm gonna hit. Do you want to exit truck here? Yes. I'm gonna exit, guys. I'm gonna go hit escape. So that's what about my Majestic, guys. I wish I could show it to you right now. It's such a nice, pretty truck. So I'm gonna hit yes right there, guys. We're gonna end the video right there. So see you guys